name is Drew DeBay, and I'm a PhD student in medical neuroscience in the Faculty of Medicine at Dalhousie. So my background originally is actually in physics and biomedical engineering, and I worked as an engineer in medical imaging for a few years before coming back and starting a PhD. So I first heard of the Dalhousie Medical Research Foundation during my master's, and more familiar with it and connected with the DMRF now in my PhD. So the Dalhousie Medical Research Foundation has supported me very generously through a number of scholarships, including a Molly Appeal traineeship, the DeWolf Scholarship, the Gunn Family Research Prize in Alzheimer's disease, as well as the Catherine Weldon Travel Scholarship Support Program as well. My research focuses on developing improved brain imaging strategies to help aid in the early and definitive diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease. Currently, definitive diagnosis of Alzheimer's can actually only occur after death at autopsy. So the need is certainly great for an early, timely diagnosis during life in humans. And so we've actually developed a radio tracer that targets a particular protein in the brain for brain imaging. This enzyme or protein is called butyrylcholinesterase, and as it turns out, it's actually a very specific biomarker of Alzheimer's disease. So we've generated brain imaging scans using our radio tracer that have been effectively able to distinguish an Alzheimer's brain from that of a healthy control. If this research is successful, it may have a significant impact on how we diagnose, manage, and eventually even treat Alzheimer's disease. Collaboration is critical in research, and having a diverse range of expertise across many disciplines is essential in order to tackle some of the more challenging research questions that we have in our society today and in healthcare. Private donations, including from the DMRF, have been essential in order to conduct this research, and it's allowed me to focus on what really is important, the research. So I'd like to thank the Dalhousie Medical Research Foundation and their donors who support it in particular. Their support has been incredible and really a key component to the successes that we've had in our research program. So, thank you very much.